Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about how to transpose data from rows to columns in Microsoft Excel. Select the data which you want to transpose. Okay. After that, right click and click on copy. Now, select the column where you want to paste it. Right click and then click paste special. After that, click on transpose and hit OK. As you can see, our data is transposed from rows to columns. This is the easiest way I know how to transpose data in Microsoft Excel. If you know any other best way, please write down in comment section below. I will be back with more informative videos.